Hi, man. Clock. Clocking. Beat. Ay. Whole line wake up when I step feet. Ay. Still toe prints on the shop floor dust. If it don't get built, then it ain't from us. They talk big in the office chair. We the ones out here putting twerk on gears. And your patch on my chest, that's stamped. Whole damn line run better when we camp. Try cut corners, line go dead. Now they act confused like we ain't what fed them. Paper safe, I need 3 more signs just to fix something been broke all night. I already did it, kept it running clean. Now I gotta backtrack for a clipboard dream. Hey, clock punch kings, yeah, we running this line. They just talk, we the ones that grind. Whole plan move when we say go. Whole thing stop when we say no. Clock punch kings don't play with mine. Union strong, we don't break a bend. They want numbers, we want respect. We the reason they cut that check. Dude, next to me, act like he cool. Same one snitching after break room fool. Laugh in your face, dap you up, and tell the boss you ain't doing enough. I don't talk much, I just work and see who really solid, who playing pretend to be. You want favor, go kiss that ring. I'm in the dirt where the real ones swing. Machine jam, they froze the line. Manager panicking, wasting time. I hit one boat, get it back in place. Now they wanna act like they saved the day. Punch kings, yeah, we run this line. They just talk, we the ones that grind. Whole plan move when we say go. Whole thing stop when we say no. Clock punch kings don't play with mine. Union strong, we don't break a band. They want numbers, we want respect. We the reason they cut that check. You ever seen a whole shift walk out? Silence hit different. Lights still on. It's power. They don't talk about. It's something you feel, not something you post. Hey, try ring me up. I sign it clean. Know my rights, know what it mean. You got rules, I got a book. We can play that game if you wanna look. Built they profit piece by piece. Now they act like we don't eat. Funny how quick that tone gon' change when the whole damn crew stop playing the game. Clock punch kings, yeah, we running this line. Stealing sweat and every dime. You see profit, we see pain. Whole thing built off what we gave. Clock punch kings don't play with mine. Union strong to the end of time. You want it built, you call our name. We the fire behind the